morning, friends. Today we're gonna see how to make a video with just only a smartphone and get a beautiful bokeh around you. I think you can see the bokeh around me now. I'm just using my own smartphone, which is OnePlus 60, and you can pretty much guess that it's blazing hot out here. I mean, so hot that I couldn't even see properly. And today video I'm gonna explain how to get this effect with your own smartphone, and you're gonna see how in just a few minutes. First you need to open the camera. After opening it, tap on the three dot icon, which gives you settings, and select the manual focus M, which is M, and if you select it, and you get the control over the focus area. The range should be from 0.26 to 0.29. An arm distance would be great. If you miss the distance, and you are gonna be blurred out too. It doesn't work on every smartphone. I tried with Note 10 Lite, Samsung Note 10 Lite. It didn't allow me to switch into manual mode. Instead it got an autofocus, but that's not what we need. Yeah, now we can see my face and the background is blurred. Playing with the focus, you can keep the subject in focus or not. In this case, subject is me and I'm in focus, and the background is blurred because it's not in the focus area. I hope this video is very useful for you guys, especially for the YouTubers, those who are growing up, and I'm one of them. This is an outdoor shot. You can see the difference between the subject and the background. So it does depend upon which mobile you're using. If your phone doesn't support it, try downloading another camera app which gives you manual control over your camera. If your phone has multiple lenses, wide angle, telephoto and normal lenses, you have the option to add a camera in the open camera application. And your phone should support manual focus as well. If your smartphone has only one lens, you can always use a wide angle lens in addition to your main camera and get a wider field of view with the perfect bokeh. I hope it is useful. See you next video.